In this video, you will learn about conjunctions used to create compound sentences. This topic is a part of sentences.
As learned earlier, words which join two or more parts of a sentence of equal importance are known as joining words. For example, Jay ate bread and cheese for breakfast. Or, do you want to buy a puppy or a goldfish? Or, the grocery store was closed, so she borrowed tomatoes from her neighbor.
A compound sentence is made up of two sentences and a joining word. It is used to connect two or more ideas of equal importance. There are 7 joining words used in different ways to form a compound sentence. Let us look at how they're used. Use for to join two sentences when the second sentence explains the first sentence. For example, instead of saying, Jay likes swimming, Jay grew up in a house with a pool, you can say, Jay likes swimming for he grew up in a house with a pool. Use and to join two sentences of equal importance which gives similar information. For example, instead of saying, Jay likes swimming, Jay loves hot weather, you can say, Jay likes swimming and loves hot weather. Use nor when both parts of the sentence offer alternative actions that the subject did not do. For example, instead of saying, Jay did not go for a swim, he did not meet his friends, you can say, Jay did not go for a swim, nor did he meet his friends. Use but when the second part of the sentence makes a statement which is in contrast to the first part of the sentence. For example, instead of saying Jay likes to swim, he hates running, you can say Jay likes to swim but he hates running. Use or when there are options to choose from. For example, instead of saying Jay will go for a swim, Jay will meet his friends, you can say Jay will go for a swim or he will go to meet his friends. Use yet when the second part of the sentence is true, though the first part is the opposite of what the second sentence states. For example, instead of saying Jay likes to swim, he swims once in 6 months, you can say Jay likes to swim, yet he swims once in 6 months. Use so when the second part of the sentence happens because of the first part. For example, instead of saying Jay likes to swim, Jay swims every day, you can say Jay likes to swim, so he swims every day. Remember to always put a comma before the joining word. Now you know about joining words and how to use them to form a compound sentence.